YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a quick unboxing, and then we're going to talk a little bit about straps and accessories. So if that all sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. But first, let's get to the unboxing. I actually received this item in this dust bag, but for aesthetics, I went ahead and stuck her in this beautiful Louis Vuitton box because yes, she is a Louis Vuitton item. So this is more of a reveal than an unboxing, but it's still a new item, so I wanted to share it with you. So without further ado, let's see what's inside of the box. I always get so excited, even if I've seen the item before. So I did kind of cram her in to this box because I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time finding an appropriately sized box for this beautiful strap. Now, I know I have told you guys in the past, I did not want a strap that said Louis Vuitton all over it. But let me tell you that this is very subtle. Like this, it looks not subtle at all. It looks like Louis Vuitton in your face, but because the weaving is the same color as the underlying material, it is subtle in person, and so I thought I would go ahead and give it a try. And I also wanted to explain to you why I decided to pick up this piece. As you all know, I have part of the Multi Pochette Accessoires. I have both pouches as well as the chain. And I kind of wanted to complete it. I don't know why, I just had this feeling inside that I wouldn't be complete until my multi-pochette was complete. And if you notice, I am missing one piece. So that may be a future reveal, unboxing, whatever it may be. But right now I've got all but the round coin purse that dangles from the chest, which you all know I love when round things or any sort of things dangle from my chest. I don't love that, but right now I have the Khaki Multi Pochette Accessoires by Louis Vuitton, almost complete minus that one round piece. So I thought I would show you this strap with my bag. Let's give it a try. And then I want to show it to you compared to a few of the other straps I have in my collection that I have found on Etsy that I think are pretty much as good as the Louis Vuitton strap. So if you want to change up your look, you don't have to spend oodles of money on the resale market to pick up a Louis Vuitton strap. So I am currently wearing a leopard, or not leopard, what is it? Cheetah? I can't even remember what kind of print this is. It might be leopard. I don't know, but I am currently wearing a cat print on my body, and this bag actually goes pretty well with this outfit. And today I'm actually going on a day trip with my family and don't plan to carry this, but I'm carrying my Vuitton bag, which I showed you in yesterday or the day before's video with its new strap. But I am loving Miss Multi Pochette with her khaki strap. I do think it's quite beautiful. And as you can see, when you back it up like this, the Louis Vuitton is not glaring on the strap. As I've said before in other videos, that's why I like the Prada Re-edition straps, because you just have Prada written one time on the strap, and actually it's designed to go on the back of your body because the front of your body is where the clip is and there's no Prada written there. So it is even more discreet than this khaki strap by Louis Vuitton. I think, and I haven't seen it in person, but I think that the pink version of this strap, that the Louis Vuitton shows up more than the green version, but I'm not sure since I've never seen it in person. So I have two different Etsy sellers that I have straps from that I want to show you. The first one, I can't think of the name of the seller right now, but they have this beautiful green shade with a beige stripe on it. And so that is a really pretty strap. I did want to show you that the vachetta bits at the end are genuine, but they are a little different than the Louis Vuitton ones. They're longer. The strips are longer. They're about the same length as the ones on the Prada. You can see that the clips are very similar in size, but they, of course, do not say Louis Vuitton. And on this particular strap, you might notice that there is stitching from side to side on the Louis Vuitton, but not here on the Etsy seller strap. I don't know if that would affect durability or not, but it's just a difference I noticed. Also, you might think that the back side of either one of these straps is a bit sloppy, and that is just the nature of the stitching on this vachetta, whether it is the designer version or the dupe version. And I don't know if you even necessarily need to call this a dupe version, but I would. And so there are the details of that first seller that I wanted to show you. The other seller is one I talk about all the time, and that's Nanastore 2018. Their khaki green strap is a lot more similar in color to the Louis Vuitton strap. These feel really good. They're really silky, a little bit more silky than the Louis Vuitton strap by just a little bit, and also just ever so slightly thinner than the Louis Vuitton strap. Of course, they don't have the name woven in. They are, I guess you could say, a bit more generic. The one in the middle I had done with a brown pebbled leather that matches the ebene really well. But as you can see, the little tabs that hold the D-rings are similar but slightly different in size. But overall, I would say that the Nanastore 2018, as well as the other seller that I just showed you, are a really good substitute if you don't want to spend the big bucks on the strap. And if you look here in the middle, I've got that more ebene style leather there in the middle. It's not a shiny ebene, it's more of a pebbled, so it actually goes with the canvas for the monogram or the ebene really well with its brown tone and texture. And again, the vachetta bits and the ebene colored bits are longer than the leather on the Louis Vuitton strap, but the Nanastore 2018 straps do have that stitch on the side. So I would say I am glad that I added this strap to my collection. I'm not sure I'll do the pink Louis Vuitton strap because, like I said, it is so much more noticeable that it says Louis Vuitton on it, but I don't know, I might. I do have one more strap on the way that's not pink or green. It's another color, and so you'll have to wait and see what I plan to use that one with. But I did just want to hop on today and show you some straps because I am all about the strap action and the mod shots with different straps for my bags. So I would say out of all my straps for my Multi Pochette Accessoires that my two favorites would probably be these two now, because this one is the one that is meant to go with the bag, and it's really subtle and a very neutral but beautiful shade of green, aka khaki. I don't quite understand that, but it is a neutral color. And then this one is the monogram Pochette Métis strap, and I actually never owned the monogram Pochette Métis. I ended up picking this up because I did own the reverse Pochette Métis and sold it, and I was convincing enough that the sales associate allowed me to order the monogram strap to go with that bag because I wanted to switch up my look. And so when I did sell that reverse Pochette Métis, I got to keep this strap, and it is oh so helpful with like almost every monogram bag that I have ever had. I love this strap. In fact, I love it so much that I might have some future strap action to show you with a strap like this, but perhaps in a different palette. So stay tuned for that. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.